Hi everybody, we're reading another story today. Are you excited? I am. Who's making that noise? I wonder who it could be. Let's open the book and find out. Who's Making That Noise? By Phillip Hawthorn and Jenny Tyler. Illustrated by Stephen Cartwright. There is a little yellow duck and a white mouse on every double page. Can you find them? See if you can find those while I read the story. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's inside? Just open wide. Toot, toot, toot. It's the teddy bear making the noise. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. I wonder who dares look under the stairs. Can we open it? Peek. Thud, thud, thud. It's a chicken. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's hiding there to give us a scare? Rattle, rattle, rattle. It's the dog. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Look, they're eating cookies. Now who do you think is under the sink? Let's open it up. Ready? Bang! Crash! Crash! It's the pig. Look, he's crashing. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. They're reading. It's time to explore, but which cupboard door? This one? No. This one. Ring, ding, ding. It's the cat. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Do hurry, don't wait. Pull open that gate. Ready? Boom! Bang, bang, bang! This rabbit is banging on the trash can. Now who could be making that hullabaloo? It's surely not me, and it's surely not you. Well, the animals are looking now. There's a big noise. What could it be? Shout, scream, yell, us noisy boys. Do you want to know more? Open the door. That's who. Shriek, cry, hoot. Look, they're being noisy finally. Those noisy boys. Shh. The end. Thank you for reading with me today. Did you find the yellow duck and the white mouse on every page? If you didn't, go back and see if you can find them. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.